guys? It's a girl Stiff Breast and I'm back with another vlog. So guys, basically me there Christina, me a look at iron. So now we go. Yeah.
Seal inside.
Yes guys, so me a look at one nice iron. No, I'm gonna see what I want, so I'm gonna leave this store. Me soon come back. What? Me soon come. You see phone case on change now. Yes, so we are sorry. Roll right in here. Iron. And the iron is in here. Me I look for some iron guys. Oh. Let me see the pink one there. I like one there. How can sponsor me one of these microwave? Yes, I need a microwave for my birthday. You know my birthday is coming up, so we can sponsor me one microwave for my Earth Strong. We have 18. No, I don't want a one here. I want this one. Weird. Weird on the bottom. Oh, and this. I need one of these guys for my birthday. Who can sponsor me? One for my birthday. Thank you. I just get an iron and I need a microwave. Who can sponsor me? See the price here. Okay guys, I'm going somewhere else. So guys, yes, basically we're gonna get some crayon for my little nephew. Yes. He want crayon, so you'll get some crayon for him. Crayon and folder jacket. We can get a folder jacket. You have any? Yeah, take up.
Only the file folder we have at the moment.
A folder?
Yeah, the one where them put them things in now in their school.
Yeah. Give me it. And I need
That's
a
the one with the string in there.
yeah. So guys, yeah, folder jacket is in one.
That's this, the portfolio. This is what you want?
How much is this one?
Oh, this is
Alright, give me that one then. Give me one of that and
Oh, will you buy the crayons from home?
it's a little baby.
The jumbo crayon is what they use, not those.
So guys, yeah, yes, we're gonna shop for my baby, yes. So guys, we are going to look for another crayon. See the different crayon. I got one for my nephew, but I still go check out the next one. How much is them there? Crayons. You have the jumbo crayons. Finish. Jumbo crayons finish. That are the large crayons for so. 3,008. Guys, if anything when you want buy me for my birthday, it's the 18th of September. You know my month starts today, so it's the 1st of September. So guys, yeah, me up on the road. I mean I go like a vlog. We don't get no jumbo crayon in here, so Stay tuned, guys.
45.
Hold on. So we can get some stuff for do. Put like I need some stick. Some of them stick here. All this. Come, count them here. See more. So guys, get them here.
See what it is.
Pick up two of them. Then. Two of this. We need an L sheen. With the L sheen. Go on, go buy. You want the L sheen? Come here, so I'll cash it. So, well, let me say more nails here, so. For my foot, me have brush, me have that, me have that. Me have that. Shopping to get your food right here on the container in Christina here. Getting good lunch, so I'm gonna eat now. Yeah.